Hi YouTube, welcome to the Xposters video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Windows PC or laptop look exactly like mine right now. It's like this, the dock, and it's really cool actually. It's very functional. The blue thing here and these tabs and everything, it's really cool. I love it. So if you're looking to do this, it looks kind of like a Mac, but not exactly. It's still uh, it's basically a modified Windows kind of, I would say, with the dock. It looks really cool, and that's what I want. I don't want it to look exactly like a Mac because then that's just not cool. I like having a Windows computer, and I don't want to make it look like a Mac. So, moving on. To do this, you're gonna need to download four things. So I'll be having the links. First, you're gonna need StarDock for this dock right here, and it's fairly simple. Once you have downloaded and installed it from here, once you've downloaded and installed it, you're gonna get this shortcut. This is the shortcut, and you just double click this, and you get this. So I'm just gonna quit it right here, just to show you how this works. Oops. Just a second, sorry about that. Just gonna quit it, and when I double click this, it just comes up. There we go. So that's what you get. Now, the next thing you're gonna need is Windows Blind, and it's not free. So it's a 30-day trial, but to make it free, we have a crack over here you're gonna need to download, and which makes it free forever. Windows Blinds. Windows Blinds is for making your computer look like all these blue tab things and these green, yellow, red, and the sound effects. It's really cool. Yeah, so and then you're gonna need Cursor, which is for all these. As you can see, my cursor looks pretty neat. It's pretty Mac-ish cursor. It has really cool features. I really love this cursor. Cursor is really optional. It doesn't really make that much of a difference because you can actually go in Windows settings and they also have a black cursor. It doesn't really make a difference. So first of all, download StarDock, Object Dock from this website. You can either Google it, and I'm also gonna have it down in my description. And then you're gonna have to download Windows Blinds, and that's right here. It's from the same company, StarDock. And then you just go down here and download a free trial version. Remember, download the free one. Once you've downloaded the free one, I'm gonna ask you to download this right here. Download it, and once you've downloaded it, you get this. You have Windows Blinds, and then you have this. You just double click this, you extract it, probably to your desktop, you click OK. Once it's extracted, you double click it, and you just double click this. And now, once you double click this, you'll get this. This is your cracker, so you're just gonna browse to where your Windows Blinds were installed. You're just gonna have to browse to the folder where you installed your Windows Blinds. And once you have, so mine's right here, I'll show you. See, program files, I think so. It should be right here somewhere. So anyways, we can skip this part, and then you just click install. And once the progress, it takes about a minute. It takes a minute, yeah. So once it's complete, you're gonna have your full version of Windows Blinds. Alright, so what you're gonna do next is install the cursor. Once you double click the Object Dock, you're gonna get this, so that's extremely easy, and then you can just drag and drop things over here. It's fairly simple to dock. Next, we're gonna do the Windows Blinds. So when you double click Windows Blinds, you get this. And what you want to click right now is get more skins. And once you click that, it's just gonna load up a page, and I'll show you which skin you want. we want this Mac OS X Panther. That's the one we want. Now what you're gonna do is just click on it. Just let me check if this is the right one. I already have it. It's by Xero something. So I don't think this is the same one actually. No, it's not. Sorry about that. Just a second. I'm gonna check again. Looks something like this. So OS X Panther. So the basic idea is you're gonna have to find it pretty much. And I think this one's gonna work. This one. This is it, I think. Just click it. Yeah, this is the one by Xero. You just click download. And look, you click download here. Takes very less time. And then you just click it, open it. When you click open, you get this message right here. Once you get that message, you're done. It'll show up right here. Mac OS X Panther. And what you're gonna have to do is double click this. You're gonna get this loading thing here once you click it. Now they have styles available. This is the first style. This one has these three things on the left, and like the original Mac. But I suggest you do not do that, because in all the browsers like Internet Explorer and Chrome, it does not appear at all if it's on the left. So I think you should do the one where it has on the right. So either this or this. It's your choice, whatever you want. You can do either this or this. They're pretty much the same. I don't really see that much of a difference. It's just one's like that, one's like that. So basically no difference. One's just duller. And then you just double click it. The one you pick. And then you have this. All this. Yeah, so now I'm gonna show you how to do the cursor. So to do the cursor, I'm gonna have the link right here. You're gonna have to download this file right here. You're gonna have to download this. Once you download this, you're gonna get a RAR file of it, and then you just extract it. After extracting it, you get this folder. And after extracting it, you get this folder. Once you have this folder, you're ready to go. Now you're gonna go here, click, and you gotta choose this option. Change how the mouse pointer looks. And you just click that. And you click on, see, mine's already set up. So, and then you click on browse. And you navigate to where you extracted this. Wherever this folder is. Mine's, for me, it's already navigated over here, cursors. It's looking in cursors. And it has all these animations. Now, for example, I want my normal select to be, I want it to be like this, right? I can just pick that. Pretty much it. Just navigate and browse to wherever your, for example, mine's on desktop. There you go, and then there we go. So for working in the background, we can have to navigate to it again. Here it is on my desktop, and I picked this one, radioactive background, working in background. And then you just I set them up for all of them. All these are set up the way I want them. For busy, I have this blue one. So then you just click apply, okay, and there you go. Your computer would look really cool, exactly like that. And then you could just Google Mac OS Lion wallpaper if you like my wallpaper, or you can have any wallpaper. Yeah, just Google image, the kind of wallpaper you want, and then just right click the image and choose set as desktop background. So thanks for watching my video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.